And so we understand the concept of, doing for others. One of my sister's friends was having a graduation party, and she asked for kalo, taro. And so she asked my mom and dad to go get it. My parents are older, right? So this was years ago. My parents went down to get it, and it's a far drive from where we live. It's about 2.5 hours to get there and to go down and to get it. And so if you've ever gotten taro and pulled it and all that stuff, that's a lot of work. So my parents did that years ago, and when they came back, I said, Mom, why did you do that for her? That's a lot of work. You guys are old, And she said, 'cause we can. And she said, and that's what we do, we're Hawaiians. And I don't know what it was, but it was something about just the pride that I had in my mom for, she's always understood who we are as Hawaiians and how we want to help other people. And I was like, I felt so much pride in my culture and so much pride in my heritage and so much pride from my mom.